Today we are celebrating the installation of Wahash Solar first of its kind solar concentrator at Khalifa University's Masdar Institute solar platform in Masdar city. It is a metallic reflector-based giant Fresnel lens that can concentrate the light on a fixed focal point and reach very high temperature in the range of 1000 degrees C.
This device is based on an invention, a patented invention, that is recognized internationally as a breakthrough in concentrated solar power technology. This will allow many applications, including 24/7 generation of electricity by cheap storage, metal melting, hydrogen production, or very high solar to electrical generation. And we hope to launch this to the world from the UAE.